Welcome back to my channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You are viewing a waiting area out at the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. This is their holding area, and these Corvettes here are waiting to be delivered. And as you can see, they have all kinds of colors and different models of Corvettes. And whoever the owners of these vehicles, they're gonna be very happy when it's time to come to pick up their vehicle. But this is out at the racetrack, right across the street from the museum and also the Corvette plant. They always in the same area. Now this is a parking lot full with nothing but C8 Corvettes. Everything from the L1, L2, and L3 model, different colors, different stripes, different setups. And as you can see, these are some magnificent vehicles. And these people that these cars are going to should be very excited. Upon reaching receiving these vehicles. And these are probably 2021 models. So you gotta let me know what you think of it. Hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel, and the notification thing so you know when I'm doing the upload. This is a whole row of nothing but C8 Corvettes in Bowling Green, Kentucky, waiting to be delivered.